This video will give you a few troubleshooting steps and variations to try when your printer is not accepting your new, recently installed cartridges. If your printer contains multiple cartridges, and it is only one specific color cartridge that is causing the error, simply remove the cartridge and reinstall it slowly. If your printer is presenting errors for multiple cartridges at the same time, remove all of the cartridges and then reinstall each cartridge slowly, one by one. If the printer is still not accepting the cartridges, remove all cartridges from the printer, turn the printer off, and unplug the power cable from the wall socket. Leave the printer unplugged for at least 10 seconds and then reinsert the power cable and turn the printer back on. Then once the printer asks you to install the cartridges, reinsert each cartridge slowly, one by one. Hopefully by now your printer has accepted the cartridges and they are working correctly. If you are still experiencing troubles, we recommend that you contact the retailer that you have purchased the cartridges from and organize a return for exchange or refund.